Welcome back to my channel. So you're wondering, it's the first date, what am I supposed to ask? What questions should I focus on? How do I get myself in a position to make sure that this man finds me attractive? Make sure you sit down and watch this video where I break down exactly what you should be doing on the first date. Welcome to the channel. My name is Tolu. I'm a Christian relationship counselor and I help you pick the right partner for a godly marriage. Now, because it's the first date, you really want to establish, firstly, if you have fun with this person. So you want to choose an environment where you are able to be fun and you are able to be yourself and you're able to really interact with this person without being stuck up and rigid in the process of getting to know them. That's why with wife-in-waiting sisters and more specifically dating to marry clients, we emphasize the art of conversation to make sure that you're clear on exactly what this should look like in the process of getting to know this person. Now, secondly, you want to be feminine. Why this is so important is because your feminine energy is being able to show your true essence as a woman. You want to tap into that energy when you're engaging with this person in conversation to see how comfortable they are with your true essence, how they respond to it, and how they're able to interact and enhance it. This is key before you move forward in the process of getting to know this person more intimately, because you want to establish if you can allow them into your space and you can trust them with who you are in essence as a person. Nextly, you want to be friendly. You want to keep conversations light. You want to keep them interesting. You want to have a very friendly demeanor so that you encourage this person to feel comfortable with you and you allow conversations to flow naturally without the awkward silences, the rigid questioning, and the very, very heavy presence of a lack of interest. When you are friendly, you engage with people in a way that invites them into your space and invites them to enable conversations with you flow more naturally. That's why this is of high importance on the first date. You also want to make sure that you're flexible. Now, I'm not a fan. I don't tell my dating to marry clients to do this, and I certainly don't tell my wife-in-waiting sisters to do this. By the way, if you want to work with me more intimately, mostly through getting clarity on how to date for marriage, make sure you sign up for one of my 2 programs. All the information is in the caption. Wife-in-waiting, I work with you on a group basis to understand how to date like a wife through the 5 stages of marital manifestation. And in dating to marry, I show you on a one-on-one basis how to date scripturally and practically vet from a qualified pool of men so that you can step into your marital alignment easily. Now, why it's important to make sure that conversations are flexible is to give room and to give range in the way you are getting to know this person and to allow an atmosphere to be very relaxed to build potentially intimate connections moving forward. And finally, you want to make sure that you are able to flirt. I know this is not very well discussed in the Christian community, but I'm a huge fan of, like I said, your feminine energy coming forward and being able to express yourself. And one of the ways you can do this is through flirtation. Flirtation can be light, it can be playful, it can be intimate. It really depends on the setting, but I do want to encourage you to exercise that natural ability that we have as women to flirt and see how he responds to that energy, and this will help you establish if there is truly any chemistry with this person. That's why I walk clients through the process of flirting on dates, and I show them why it's so relevant, because it allows you to know if the chemistry is true and if it has a possible foundation of building on more intimacy in the long run. Now, make sure, again, that you have fun, you flirt, you're feminine, you're flexible, and you're friendly. It's a date, and it's the first one. You don't need to be rigid. You don't need to ask all the questions. You don't need to be awkward. You don't need to be interrogative. That is going to drive even the right men away. That's why you definitely want to keep away from that line of engaging with this prospective partner. If you want to learn more about working with me on understanding how you can date for your own marriage, make sure, again, you apply with the links below, and I'll definitely look forward to reading your application. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below what part of this video really spoke to you. You can check this video out as well.